Hi, I'm Phil McKnight from Breville. Today I'd like to introduce you to our latest drip coffee maker. We call it the Grind Control. One of the secrets to making great tasting coffee, whether it's espresso, press or drip filter, is grinding right before you brew. That's because the coffee beans contain delicate flavour aromatics that dissipate once they're ground. If you grind directly before you brew, you'll capture these flavour aromatics in the cup of coffee, producing a rounder, more fuller-bodied cup. That's why the Breville designers have engineered a grinder right into the machine. So coffees of different origins, degrees of roast and age require very different grind sizes and amounts to get the best flavours from those coffees. So the Grind Control is the first household drip coffee maker that has an inbuilt adjustable grinder and calibration mode so you can adjust the grind size and the amount to get the very best flavours from the coffees you'd like to brew. So the Grind Control also has machined stainless steel burrs. Machined stainless steel burrs deliver a consistent ground particle size. This will deliver a more rounded, full-bodied flavoured coffee. The Grind Control has the flexibility to brew a 12-cup carafe or just a single cup. It has 8 individual strength settings so you can get coffee just the way you like it. The extra high clearance gives you the flexibility to brew directly into tall cups and travel mugs. The Grind Control has a convenient auto start function. This means you'll always have fresh coffee in the morning. A top fill water tank allows easy filling, and a swing out door gives convenient access to the removable coffee basket for cleaning. The machine also comes with a gold tone filter, or you can use a standard paper filter for a cleaner tasting cup. The Grind Control, coffee just the way you like it, every time.
For more than 50 years, Technivorm has successfully combined the best innovations of modern product development and design to bring the real taste of coffee to millions of people worldwide via their Moccamaster coffee brewers. Providing the perfect cup comes from the design of our brewers that meet strict guidelines set forth by the ECBC and SCA Gold Cup brewing standards for the 4 T's. Temperature. Moccamaster's copper boiling element brews between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and holds the brewed coffee between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit via an independent hot plate element. Time. A full carafe brews in 4 to 6 minutes with the correct saturation time. Turbulence. This brew process creates a perfect coffee bloom and even extraction. And total dissolved solids, or TDS. Solubles between 18% and 22% in every cup. Quality in craftsmanship is also important, which is why every Moccamaster coffee brewer carries a 5-year warranty and is handmade in the heart of the Netherlands using only quality European parts that ensures longevity of your brewer and are cleanable, repairable, recyclable, sustainable, and plastics are BPA, BPS, BPF and phthalate free. Moccamaster coffee brewers are timeless in design and will grace your home with elegance that's matched only by its quality.